Tired of your villagers wandering off or making that long trek to your new custom village? Let's get them moving efficiently. First up, the classic and surprisingly effective boat method. You'll need a boat and a waterfront. Lure your villager into the water, and they'll often follow if you paddle away slowly. If they're a bit stubborn, place the boat right next to them and try to tap them in once they're in. You can gently nudge the boat along the water to your desired destination. For longer distances on land, Minecarts are your best friend. You'll want to build a simple track. Place a minecart on the track near your villager and wait for them to eventually hop in. You might need to nudge them to get them closer. Then you can push the minecart or use powered rails for faster travel. Just remember to make sure your track is clear of any obstructions. Need a quick and dirty solution for short distances or to bridge gaps? Temporary pathways are your go-to. Build a simple, elevated walkway €1 dirt, cobblestone, whatever you have €1 to guide them. Get them onto the path, and then carefully lead them along. Keep it narrow enough so they're forced to follow your lead, and make sure there are no holes they can fall through on their journey. These simple techniques will save you tons of time and effort, whether you're building a massive trading hall or just want your villagers closer for better breeding. So grab your boats, minecarts, and building blocks, and let's create the Minecraft village of your dreams.